They say the average new truck cost is somewhere around $50,000. Yet, for that cost, we still get a mechanical hood prop. So today, I plan to remedy that situation. Stick around to the end for something that's not in the instructions, but might be important to you if you have OCD. Last year, we did an installation of hood struts on Steve's Jeep Wrangler. I've been jealous ever since. Every time I open this thing, and especially when I fiddle with trying to get the damn thing out of the top, I really wish that I had some of those myself. Actually really simple, so this should go fairly quickly. Famous last words in the Greenfield Overlanding community. Let's get started. So the first part is removing this 10mm bolt. Yeah, no way that's gonna work. Quality issue number one, and this is not a Redline problem, but more of a quality control over at our friends at GMC. Once you take the bolt out of here, you can see there's really not good alignment. If I try to put this in place, there's no way I could get the bolt back in. If I go over to the other side, just to verify, I took that one out, lined up no problem. More of a problem from GMC. So we're turning this into a two-man effort. I have He-Man Steve who's gonna pull this back. That required a little bit of brute force to get the alignment in place, but once there, we seem to be good to go. If you enjoy overlanding or truck modification content, please do like and subscribe. Next up is adding the upper ball mount. They actually label each one of the mounts. 39 is for the driver's side and 40 is for the passenger side. Step one, let's get this 13mm nut off of here. Loosen that up. Since I'm only taking one nut off at a time, I think we're pretty safe that the hood's not going to shift. Already tested on the passenger side. It seems to hold pretty steady. Then these mount up with the ball facing out. Get that kind of finger snug, making sure that I align the top of the mount plate against the top of my pod light bracket. But with that there, just gonna snug it down. That's pretty solid. No alignment issues. So far, the only problem that we've had has been with this driver's side fender. Next step. One thing not called out on the instructions with Redline that we did do with Steve's hood struts was priming. Putting them down with the end on the ground and giving them like 10 pumps just to kind of break the initial seal. Something we did, figure it can't hurt. So to put these in place though, the actual tube end needs to connect up to the hood side. So that just snaps in place. Then part two is, since these actually are going to lift the hood a little farther, I undid the prop rod, lift this up, and then snap that ball on there. Voila, that's only one. Let's see what we can get with two. So again, tube side up here. There we go. Cool. Two struts. I like it. All right, let's give it a try. That's pretty sweet. Nice.
It even has that like DeLorean noise.
Yes. I think you pay extra for that.
Yeah.
It looks like I could have specified based on the stickers here one strut on a side. So if this were on the opposite side, the lettering would actually be right side up. So for those OCD folks out there, make sure you check that before you put the struts in place. For those of you that have already put these struts in place, let me know if you ran into similar problems or any other types of problems that you can share with the broader Canyon and Colorado community. So in closing, I'm really satisfied with these Redline Tuning Hood struts. Pretty simple to install. In fact, very simple to install, so long as there's not any sort of slight defects in how your vehicle was constructed. But getting past that, if you can work a wrench and have a 10mm and a 13mm socket, you can put these in place. If you enjoy overlanding or truck modification content, please do like and subscribe. We have several videos out there related to how I've been modifying my Canyon, like adding the ESI tailgate seal and more off-road specific type modifications like setting up my knob sight wireless switch controller.
If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time on Greenfield Overlanding.